Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, on the Bitcoin chart, we haven't seen any further price increases yesterday. Bitcoin respected our resistance up here and did not break above the 31,460 level, even though that would have completed the primary expectation. However, it's of course still possible. Nothing really happened. We see a few red candles. Today, I think the market is likely going to be a little bit more quiet, given that the US stock exchange is closed. Bear in mind, so on days like these, typically you don't see a lot of price action. I wanted to zoom out first and just give you the big picture again. Here, the movement of the June lows, okay, where we see we moved up, we made another low. I currently count this low in November as the end of the bear market. Of course, not guaranteed, but so far this projection was correct. Been talking about this now at least since, to have it confirmed, I think we talked about it since March, the 10th of March, this swing low, and was the correct projection, because since then price did move up of the trend reversal area around about 55%. We were bullish before that, but we always said that, look, we need to get a confirmation in this trend reversal area that also the larger trend is shifting to the upside, okay? And we've got that confirmation. Now, that doesn't mean it couldn't turn around at some point. We always need to be flexible. Markets are very dynamic, the market landscape is just always changing. It's ever changing. So we just need to be in the here now, always adapt when needed, okay? Past forecasts, they are like footprints, but they are not the path, okay? So that's the past, and we're in the here and now we just need to look at what are the relevant support levels now. Can we continue to push higher, and what are the levels when we have to change our perspective? But so far, I think it's paid off to remain bullish, because I'm not really a fan of having a bias. So I know in the bear market there are always bears, but at some point the bear market ends, so you just need to go with the flow, okay? Which we're doing. We go with the chart, and when the chart tells us, we need to focus on the downside, then we do that. So be flexible, very, very important. The market is always changing. Be here, be now, adapt. Just keep growing your portfolio. I mean, that's what it's for, and not about satisfying a bias. Yeah, I'm currently counting here a 1-2-1-2 setup still, and then maybe here a third 1-2 setup, which is needed to push higher in this yellow third wave. At the moment, I count this yellow wave 2 complete on the 15th of June, as you know. And since then, we have been moving up in quite an impulsive way. Now, Bitcoin is really at a key decision point now. Because I'd like to see one more high, one more swing high. It's getting very choppy though. It could be an ending diagonal which is playing out. So any sub-wave count in this wave 5 is likely going to be a bit messy and less reliable. In this move, in my opinion, the money has been made. And now it's all about, okay, do we get that last bit or not? Which I don't think is very important, that last bit. What is important now is to understand that we are getting to a point where a deeper pullback can occur. Definitely a decision point. So the reason is we either completed already 5 waves up of this swing low, and we completed that wave 1 of the yellow wave 3 on Friday, the 23rd of June. Then we would be looking at a deeper pullback. It's not happening right now, but this could be a flat pattern which is unfolding with a sell-off coming into the wave 2. Yeah. And I see some initial signs for that because it just can't push higher at the moment. But we talk about that in a minute. We could still be in the wave 1. And after that, I would like to see that rather deep pullback in a wave 2. Okay, so looking at this structure, we can count a wave 4 complete. And we could look at, okay, we are still in the wave 5. However, in this wave 5, it's certainly not impulsive. This could be a diagonal structure, yet it could have been an impulse. Yeah, it could have been an impulse, but we have here a strong setback, here a strong setback. Unless it's a 1-2-1-2 setup, I will take the micro count out because it is, even though not invalidated, it's a bit strange. So what I think could be the case is that we deal here with an ending diagonal. So this might have been the wave 3, this might have been the wave 4, and one more high to come. Okay, so I don't want to say this is over. I think I highlighted in the last video that as long as we stay above that wave 2 low at 30,170, the focus can still be on higher, but below that is certainly the first warning that things are starting to break down. So ideally one more high. It would need to break above yesterday's high to confirm that in a wave 5, and then it would work with the proportions, yeah, and I'd like to see that 32k area, and then that's it. And then we could look at the first deeper pullback in the wave 2. But yeah, I mean, if the wave 1 is already in, we just need to be ready for that. Then we're dealing here with a flat pattern, and the move down was in 3 waves, A, B, C, and we had an A wave. The move up, a B wave, a high B wave, because the A wave was a 3-wave move, and then the C wave in 5. That's certainly something I would keep in mind, but nothing that we haven't talked about. I mean, we said, okay, the wave 2 can basically start at any point, but yeah, I think for me it needs to break below 30,170 to have a first impression that this is the case, and it would need to confirm that by then breaking below 28,546. From here it can without any problem push higher, because this could literally just be an ending diagonal, as a wave 5 often is. Yeah, often we see ending diagonals in 5th waves, but there is at the moment no way really of saying, okay, it will definitely do it, right? There's never a way, nothing is ever for certain, but this might become, and it's just an idea, an ending diagonal, ascending wedge pattern. It's of course not very well defined, so even though, well, maybe, see, we have possible 3 touch points nearly, so that's something to keep an eye on, or both would be good. So yeah, maybe here an ending diagonal, maybe one more high and that's it. Let's see. I mean, from a technical point of view, I told you, I mean, I took some profits yesterday. We'll take some more if we go a little higher, but I don't intend to sell everything of that position that I entered down here. And I will, however, scale in again if we get some deeper setbacks. Yeah, there's not much more to add because it's not gotten any clearer. The scenarios haven't changed at all. It's just purely following our wave count at the moment. So I keep you updated. Hope you like the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.